I want to be able to throw the axe, and before I throw it, I need to be able to do the throwing motion and let go of the axe so that the axe is gonna fly forward. In this video, I'm just gonna do the script for letting go. I'm gonna go to mixamo.com, look for some sort of a throwing animation. Throw object. I'm not going to use the entire animation, but first download it 60 frames per second. I'm going to rename it throw axe and the usual stuff. Put it into the humanoid animations folder. Same thing that I've been doing for a long time. Throw X, rig, humanoid, apply, configure, everything is green, done, animation, rename it, throw X. Okay, I don't want the picking up motion. I'm going to start here, I guess. 120. To 220. Apply. Okay, let's go to the animator. Sophie, the animator. So here's axe idle. I'm going to go from axe walk to axe throw, or throw axe. Drag it in there. Make a transition. And if I look at axe walk, okay, looks like we already have 2 indexers. So this one is going to be number 3. Condition is index equals number 3. Adjust the graph. Hold on. Okay, I think there's another Unity bug. Or not. Okay, I want to cut a little more. Okay, and at the end of the animation, I want to go back to idle. Okay, this time I'm going to use the exit time. So we automatically go back to idle. Okay, we need the indexer, so I'm going to go to the xwalk folder, create a transition indexer, player transition indexer xwalk to xthrow, index is number 3, index 3, and I'm going to have two conditions: walk forward, move forward, and attack. Okay, drag it in there. Okay, so we have index 1, 2, and 3. Let me move it a little bit. Okay, just to make it look a little better. Now let me just hit play and see what happens. We're far from done yet, but I want to make sure that the transition is working. So here's walk and throw. Okay, so even after the throw, we're not letting go of the axe. But I like that we have the transition. Okay. I think the animation should be a little faster. I'm going to try 20%. Okay. Maybe 10%. And a little smoother transition. Okay. Now we want to let go of the axe. I'm going to go to my states folder, state scripts, and create a new ability. Weapon throw, go in there. This is going to be similar to weapon put down, or I forgot what it was called. Okay, weapon put down. I'm gonna copy because it's going to be very similar. Change the name first, of course. Weapon throw, weapon throw. And instead of the put down timing, we're going to have the throw timing. And instead of dropping the weapon, F12, go to the definition. I'm going to create something new. I'll call it throw weapon. So here's the weapon throw. Use the function. Save all the code. I'm gonna go back to Unity. And let me create a new folder. Axe throw. And create the ability that we just created. Weapon throw. Player axe throw. And I'll try something like 60% for the timing. And put in the ability. Let's test it. Attach to Unity. F9. Okay. I guess that was a little too quick. Let me try 40%. Okay, that looks about right. So 40% is good. Now we have to throw the axe. I'm going to go to the definition. And this will be very similar to drop weapon. Let me copy it. And instead of laying it on the ground, it's going to be more like standing straight up, the axe. So let me change the angle. 90 on Y would probably have it standing. I'm not sure, but let me just try. And the position, we're not going to put it on the ground. We need an offset from the player position. So let me create some variables. Create a header, And I'll create an offset vector, throw offset. And this is going to define where the x is going to be in the first frame of the throw. First, the height. We multiply the y, or we add the y of the offset. And the horizontal offset. We use the z value. Okay, so from the player's position, the x is going up, and then the x is going slightly forward. We're also letting go of the x. The parent will be null. We're also nullifying all the other variables related to the holding weapon. Now I'm gonna try playing, see if that works. Okay, pick up and throw. Okay, looks like we got the throw, but we have some errors here. And the trigger detector. Okay. We don't do anything if control is null. Also for the x, we need to put up some numbers here. I'll try 1.1 and a little bit of z, 0.25 I guess. Okay. Maybe a little more forward, 0.5. The forward offset doesn't seem to be working. Weapon throw weapon. This is the forward offset. This is the wrong direction here. We're going to use the forward direction of the player. Okay, and offset it z amount. Let me try changing the numbers and play again. Okay, I think 0.5 might be a little too much. Let me try 0.35. I think the height is okay. Okay. So right now the x isn't going forward. That's because I haven't defined the throwing yet. We just have the motion, but not the x going forward. But I'm happy that I got the part where Sophie's letting go of the x. Okay. I think I'm going to end this video here and do the throw in the next video. Okay, because all we got to do is define how the x is going to go forward. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.